there, actually. Yeah, it is. Where is it at? I see it. It's behind this truck. God damn. Yo. Gotta get pics for the gram. Yeah, that's hard. Hard. Dude, we had a white one, but they canceled on us, so now we got this one. How do you open up the trunk? Oh, there it is. I see it. And the frunk. Can't forget the frunk now. Your suitcase might have to go in the trunk, or the. They can fit in here. Oh yeah, they can fit in here too. Oh my, thank God, dude! Finally, we made it. How's the space? Pretty good. Dude, all right, I'm gonna get you. If you want to pose, bro. Make it a thumbnail or something, bro. If you want. All right, yo.
Hold on, gotta get the cold start, bro.
Oh, I know. Here. Get it.
All right, ready?
Yep. Dude, that sounded so good. Oh, yo, what the fuck is that? Is the view good? Does it look good?
Guy.
Does it look good? Do you see it?
Yeah, it looks good. Yeah.
Bet.
Oh, yeah.
Turn it back to like sports stuff.
You literally just hear a rumble, bro.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go, bro. And this is so cool.
Oh, I love that.
You have to have that on it. That's dope.
I have no idea.
Oh my God. I said I have no idea. We're about to have so much fun. Is that the exit? Oh yeah, it is. Bump my head.
Car's long.
Oh my
Oh,
God, yes it is.
where's the ocean handles? Probably not needed. There is no ocean handles. Ah! No, just kidding.
Chill.
Hold on.
Oh. don't even think they even know I'm here. Bro, it's a some pass lane, self-serve.
Please insert parking ticket to begin.
Yo.
You hear it, bro? You hear it? Dude's not even cold.
I'm gonna want
He's not
one.
even cold.
I'm not, nah, bro. I ain't even thinking about the cold right now.
Adrenaline.
All I know is I won't, bro. I finally get to do this. Holy shit.
Oh, I can go lower? Oh. This is so much comfier than the C7, bro. C7 ain't got shit on it.
I can't wait to listen to Suicide Boys.
Oh, here.
No, I can't on YouTube. Though. I didn't mean to. I thought it was. I can't. I gotta.
I was like, is that me?
Dude, this thing corners like crazy. Sorry. Oh, I can keep going too. Where is it having me go right now? Nah, I took the wrong one. Alright, it's too hot. Damn. Can I pass this guy up, you think? First impressions, it's actually like I'm not used to driving something like this. It's kind of difficult to like navigate like blind spots, and I don't know. It's a different driving experience.
Yeah,